Hello and welcome to our Stock of the Week analysis. This week, we are conducting an in-depth examination of Vodafone Idea Limited's financial health. We'll analyze revenue, net loss, debt-to-equity ratio, and fair value to provide a comprehensive view of the company's financial situation. Let's dive in. Vodafone Idea Limited's revenue has been growing steadily over the past few quarters. In Q4 2023, revenue increased by 10% to 10,894 crore rupees year-on-year. This growth is driven by increased data usage and improved average revenue per user (ARPU). Let's break down the revenue segments. Data revenue accounts for 70% of total revenue, followed by voice revenue at 20% and other services at 10%. Despite revenue growth, Vodafone Idea Limited still reports a net loss. In Q4 2023, net loss reduced by 50% year-on-year to 6,563 crore rupees. This reduction is attributed to cost-saving measures and improved operational efficiency. Let's examine the net loss drivers. Depreciation and amortization expenses account for 50% of net loss, followed by interest expenses at 20% and operating expenses at 30%. Vodafone Idea Limited's debt-to-equity ratio has improved significantly. As of Q4 2023, the ratio stands at 1.31, down from 1.45 in Q4 2022. This reduction is due to debt repayment and equity infusion. Let's analyze the debt composition. Long-term debt accounts for 70% of total debt, followed by short-term debt at 30%. Our comprehensive analysis of Vodafone Idea Limited's fair value over the last 5 quarters reveals a consistent undervaluation of the company's stock. We've used various methods, including PE ratio, PB ratio, DCF, and relative valuation, to estimate the fair value. Here are the results. Q2 FY 2023, 35.33 rupees to 44.15 rupees. Q3 FY 2023, 35.71 rupees to 42.19 rupees. Q4 FY 2023, 36.19 rupees to 40.23 rupees. Q1 FY 2024, 36.71 rupees to 38.27 rupees. Q2 FY 2024, 36.31 rupees to 37.19 rupees.